Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will work with This Little Piggy Pigments Unicorn. It's a color shifting pigment that shifts from blue to violet. It's just gorgeous. The violet is kind of electric violet. And I will use black and my pearl white mixture, that it's Vallejo pearl medium, titanium white, and here I used Ovatrol Floatrol. Ovatrol Floatrol is my pouring medium for all the colors, and I just top it up the cup with just titanium white that I had for flow extender, because I didn't have kind of enough of mixed paints, and it turned out that it was a nice addition, because the pearl white created some cloudy looking things, and the white created some nice lacing on the bottom. And yeah, I will do feathery straight pour, as I call them. It's straight pour, then I just rack two parts with the skewer or something sharp to create kind of a feathery look, and I really like it. Unfortunately, those color shifting pigments doesn't show much while they are wet, so make sure that you will check out the final result when you will see the whole color shifty thing. So I will let you enjoy the video, and I will get back with talking with the dried results. Enjoy! So here she is dry and I love it. See the unicorn. It's blue from here and it shifts to violet. I love this unicorn. Look, those little dots on the sky, kind of. Just hard to show on camera. And with the lights that has to be on to even show the glow of that. Just amazing. And the dots are, you know, white and purple and blue too. So yeah, love it. And I love this bottom part with this kind of stone-like look here. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. Camera doesn't do it justice. In person it's just gorgeous. And that purple glow from this angle, it's just amazing. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. And thanks for being here. And see you again on the next one. Bye.